Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Google Sheets in n8n. So basically, we are referencing into the official steps from the n8n website on how we can connect our Google Sheets to this specific automation website. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and create a new workflow that you can do on your homepage on your n8n account. From there, you will then be taken to this page on which you then have to select the trigger of this specific workflow. We have the trigger manually, on app event, on schedule, on webhook call, and more. So you can just select a trigger, and from there you simply want to select Google Drive after selecting a specific trigger. From here, you then have to add the credentials to connect with, your authentication, resource, and operation. You can just go ahead and make sure to log in your Google Sheets account in order to connect it seamlessly into the n8n website. From there, you then want to go ahead and connect your Google Sheets right here. And right after that, you then want to proceed with your automation like ifs, codes, and more. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.